Hello guys! Good morning once again. This is Nurse Gian and welcome to my vlog. It's been a long time that I haven't been vlogging. So today I decided to make a different video or a different vlog from the previous vlogs that I'm doing. So this is a special one for me because this is the first time that I'm going to do a cooking vlog. So in Philippines we have a lot of different street foods, and now I am going to make Kwek-Kwek, which is known as the quail egg with flavored seasoning and coated with the flour. But I'm going to show you how to do it from the top to beginning, and also I will make my self-made sauce. So let's start, guys! So guys, before we start the cooking, we have to gather a lot of ingredients that we need for cooking the Kwek-Kwek. And after that, we are going to try the delicious Kwek-Kwek and self-made sauce at the end of the video. Basically, for the quail egg, we will be needing the quail eggs itself. We are going to boil that. Food coloring, flour, cornstarch, salt and pepper. So for the self-made sauce for the Kwek-Kwek, we will be needing onion, garlic, chili, flour, food coloring, soy sauce, vinegar, meal, brown sugar, salt and pepper. The squid rings, you can buy a fresh one if you want, or you can buy this pack one from any groceries. We are going to boil the quail egg, and I also added 2 normal eggs. So we're going to prepare now the coating for our quail egg. We will be needing 1 or 2 cups of flour, pepper, salt, and a pinch of our magic salt, the taste. And we're going to mix before we add some water. And of course, we will not forget our food coloring. So for the sauce, we will need water. Then we will put some soy sauce, and then brown sugar, salt, pepper, cornstarch to make it concentrated, and mix. Then we will put some garlic and chilies, so for cooking the Kwek-Kwek, we are going to pour some oil on the pan. So we will start to coat these quail eggs into our flour while waiting for our oil to be hot, and we will fry it. Now the oil is already hot, so we are going to put now the quail eggs into our oil. Wait until it's golden brown to orange. Now we will try the onion rings to fry. You have to do it one by one so it will not stick together. So we're done with the quail eggs and the onion rings. Now we're going to fry our squid rings. Looks good. So this is the finished product for our Kwek-Kwek and squid rings. So here's the finished cooked food that we made, the Kwek-Kwek and onion rings, the self-made sauce, and also the squid rings. So we'll start to eat it, guys. So before we start eating, we have to pray first. So first, I'm going to try my Kwek-Kwek, but usually in the Philippines they are using barbecue sticks with this quail egg, but because I don't have here, so I'm going to use a fork. I love to dip it in vinegar with soy sauce and then go with the self-made sauce. And this is an onion ring. And we will try the squid rings. This is actually a street food in our country. You can see a lot of vendors selling this kind of stuff. Kwek-Kwek can also be made with the normal egg, the big one, but it is most popular with the small egg from the quail. So guys, that's the mukbang and cooking show for today. I hope that you're going to try it also at home. I will post it on the link below and write down the ingredients that is needed, and as well as the instructions on how to do Kwek-Kwek and Squid Rings, street foods that is very popular in my country. So I hope you continue to subscribe, like, and share my video for more cooking videos. I will be doing it for the next succeeding days. And see you again next time, guys. Bye!